Accidentally deleted photos on Android? Don't worry, with quick action, recovery is possible. In this video, we'll share 6 effective methods to retrieve your lost images. Part 1. How to recover permanently deleted photos on Android via Google Photos. Open Google Photos, go to Trash from the sidebar menu, select the photos you want, tap Restore to recover them to the gallery. Part 2. How to recover permanently deleted photos in Android with Google Drive. Open Google Drive and sign in. Select the photos. Tap the 3-dot icon and choose Download. Part 3. How to recover permanently deleted photos from Android phone via OneDrive. Open OneDrive and sign in. Tap Photos and select Items. Tap the 3-dot icon and choose Save. Part 4. How to retrieve permanently deleted photos from Android using Dropbox. Log into Dropbox on your computer. Check all files or deleted files for the photos. Select Photos and click Download or Restore. Part 5. How to recover permanently deleted photos from Android SD card. Using an SD card on older Android versions. Transfer photos to the card before deletion. To recover, insert the SD card and copy the files back. Part 6. How to recover permanently deleted photos from Android without backup. Using an SD card on older Android versions. Transfer photos to the card before deletion. To recover, insert the SD card and copy the files back. Step 1. Install the recovery software. Connect your Android via USB and let it detect your phone. Step 2. Scan select photos and click Next. If needed, root your phone for a deeper scan. Step 3. Recover after scanning. You will see a list of all existing and deleted images on the program interface. Take your time to review the photos and select the ones you desire. Finally, click on Recover to save the chosen items to your computer.